Watch this. The future of creative intelligence has arrived, and it's called SORA 2 AI. In 2025, this groundbreaking upgrade from the original SORA takes text-to-video generation to a completely new level, blending cinematic visuals, realistic motion, and adaptive storytelling powered by next-generation neural networks. Developed for filmmakers, marketers, and everyday creators, SORA 2 AI promises to turn your imagination into movie-quality videos. No camera, no crew, and no limits. But does it really live up to the hype? Or is it just another overhyped AI dream? Let's find out. At first glance, SORA 2 AI feels like a leap forward from its predecessor. The interface is cleaner, faster, and far more intuitive, built to handle complex scene generation directly from simple text prompts. Whether you type a cinematic sunset chase through New York City, or a surreal underwater kingdom lit by bioluminescent creatures, SORA 2 delivers videos that look eerily real, complete with dynamic lighting, camera movement, and fluid motion that rivals professional CGI. Powered by OpenAI's next-generation multimodal engine, SORA 2 AI understands context, emotion, and narrative flow better than ever before. It doesn't just generate random frames. It builds coherent scenes with continuity, depth, and perspective. You can control camera angles, pacing, and even mood transitions using the natural language. This makes it not only a tool for creators, but also a potential game changer for advertising, entertainment, and education. SORA 2 AI's new director mode lets users fine-tune visual elements like adjusting color grading, camera depth, and frame rate directly in the browser. You can even edit dialogue and insert voiceovers powered by AI voice synthesis. For marketers and content creators, this means you can design entire ad campaigns or short films in hours instead of weeks without needing a production team. Performance is another highlight. Thanks to cloud-based GPU acceleration, SORA 2 AI processes video generations up to 60% faster than the first version. The average render time for a 30-second clip is now under 5 minutes, depending on complexity. Resolution options go up to 4K, and the frame interpolation system ensures motion looks natural, avoiding the uncanny stiffness that plagued earlier AI video tools. But what truly sets SORA 2 AI apart is realism. Its upgraded motion diffusion system interprets physics, light, and texture interactions in ways that make objects behave as if they were filmed in real life. Rain looks wet, fire glows, skin tones reflect ambient light accurately. It's a giant leap in AI video realism that makes it difficult to distinguish between generated and filmed content. Of course, no innovation comes without controversy. Critics raise concerns about AI-generated media blurring the line between reality and fiction. Ethical debates surrounding content authenticity, copyright, and misuse persist. SORA 2's team claims they've implemented watermarking and detection systems to verify AI-generated clips, helping protect creative integrity and transparency. On the pricing side, SORA 2 AI operates on a tiered subscription model. Free users can experiment with basic resolutions and shorter clips, while paid tiers unlock full-length renders, cinematic templates, and commercial licensing. For professional studios and agencies, there's even an enterprise plan with API access, making integration with creative workflows seamless. So, is SORA 2 AI worth it? For creators looking to visualize stories, educators building immersive content, or marketers wanting to stand out with cinematic ads, it's a revolutionary tool. It's fast, powerful, and surprisingly easy to use. While it won't replace human creativity, it amplifies it, bridging imagination and production like never before. The bottom line? SORA 2. A. I isn't just another step in generative technology. It's a cinematic revolution. Have you ever dreamed of turning your words into worlds? This might be the AI tool that changes how we create forever. Mission accomplished. If this review helps you decide whether SORA 2 AI deserves a place in your creative toolkit, or if it's still too early to trust machines with your imagination.